So today I'm going to show you how I made my extreme budget edition Klingon head ridges. So start with a piece of tinfoil. I was originally going to use latex or clay or something a little bit better like that, but all the stores were closed, so I just went to the kitchen and grabbed the tinfoil and I molded it into some head ridges. So there's one head ridge, and then I bent it onto my forehead to give it the proper rounded shape. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but it is bent into my forehead shape. And then I made a top piece. It's mostly flat, but it's got a little bit of a ridge at the bottom. Again, this is just crumpled up tinfoil, and then the two ridges in the bottom. And so I just painted those all with some acrylic beige paint. This is definitely too light to match my skin, so I'm going to have to darken this a little later when I get some more paint, but for now this is what I'm using, even though it looks like my forehead is glowing. So then I just glued all three of those pieces together. You'll have to use something that will stick to metal because it's aluminum foil. And then just leave those to dry. So then I had a little bit of that fur left from the sleeves, so I cut two eyebrow pieces and glued those, one on either side of the bottom of that set of ridges I made. And then once the eyebrows are dry, you can just glue the whole thing to your forehead with a little bit of spirit gum. And also, did you know the Klingons have a version of Somewhere Over the Rainbow? The lyrics are slightly different though. Kapla!